Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another advent calendar unboxing. This is my third one this season. Probably honestly the most I have ever done, but this one is actually from Jouer, and they actually reached out and asked to send this over, and I was super excited because honestly I've always, like, one of my dreams was to get on Jouer's PR list. I don't know if I'm on their PR list, but they did offer to send this advent calendar, which I was just so excited that they contacted me in the first place. So I was like, yes, let's unbox this onto the channel. We had quite a variety here of advent calendars. So we did the Bath & Body Works advent calendar, the Victoria's Secret, and now we have a makeup one. So a fun variety here, and you guys really seem to enjoy these videos. So we're gonna unbox this, see what's all inside, and if it's worth it. So this one is called the 12 Days of Jouer advent calendar. If you guys didn't know about Jouer, they're a popular high-end makeup company. I believe Sephora still sells them, but honestly I've loved their products for years. They have some of the best lip products. Their highlighters are incredible, but I honestly haven't tried much of their products lately. I have like my tried and true, and I'm excited to see if we get some fun new things in here. So looking at their website right now, this does retail for $150, so she's a pricey one, and it says it has a $210 value. It's full of bestsellers and exclusive products. This is the perfect gift for yourself or friends and family, and this is sold exclusively on jouer.com. Okay, so I'm just gonna carefully slide this little piece off because I don't want to ruin it. So here we have the calendar, and here is all the numbers inside the little boxes. Now I got like a few comments on my Victoria's Secret one because I started at number 12, and this is a 12-day calendar, and people are like, well, you're supposed to start with number 1, but I always thought that like the biggest item is supposed to be your last item, because this says it's a countdown. So if you're counting down, wouldn't you start at 12 and end at 1, and then number 1 would be like a countdown to Christmas Day, and then number 1 would be Christmas Day, and you get the best item? That's at least what my thought process was. So that's what I did for the Victoria's Secret one. I don't know if I should do that for this one too. So I don't know if number 1 is last, because now it has this little tab here to pull, so maybe you're supposed to start with that one. I don't know, but it was a whole ordeal. Maybe I'm just doing the whole thing wrong. So I guess today we will start with number 1. All right, so we got all these little boxes, and it does say the product name on the back here, but it looks like a full size, I think. So we got a full size of their Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder. I've been wanting to try this one. I have heard about it. It has hyaluronic acid in the formula and also vitamin E. It says hydrates for comfortable wear and diffuses the look of imperfections for a flawless demi-matte finish. So I think it's a translucent color. Absolutely beautiful packaging, and then look at the inside. It reminds me of like a designer bag on the inside. I love the design here. So this is really exciting. I can't wait to try this. I feel like this would be such a good powder for the under eyes too. So starting off with a bang, a full-size makeup product here that's pretty expensive, so very nice. I'll do number 2 next, and this is, I think, another full size. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so we got the Blush Bouquet. This is one of their cheek duos. If you guys haven't tried Jouer blushes, they are so good. They have such a nice, soft, blendable formula. This is in the color Rose Gold in their Blush Bouquet. This is nice. So this is actually different than the packaging I have, so I'm wondering if this is a slightly smaller size. It's almost a full size, but the one I had was a little bit bigger. I don't know if they've rechanged the packaging since I've purchased, but it does look like a decent size. Here's the color, so you do get 2 shades in here. I think this one is Rose Petal and then Marigold, but these are absolutely beautiful. So here is the swatches of the blushes. So 2 little blushes in one. Another amazing product in here. All right, number 3 here. We have, this is a somewhat smaller size of their lip enhancer. It's a pretty good size though, like it's not super tiny. This is in the scent Sweet Mint. I love their lip balm. I'm so excited to have this one. I honestly haven't had it for a while, but it was one of my go-tos. Let's see if this is like colored at all. Okay, so this is just a clear, it has a very slight blush undertone, but it smells just like mint. But these are really glossy, very hydrating on the lips. I love this formula. So this is number 3. Next up, number 4, we got a little tiny size of one of their lip creams. So I was talking earlier about their lip products, and their liquid lipsticks used to be one of my go-tos. So this is really exciting to have again. This is in Dolce de Leche. They have a really nice, comfortable formula, and this is a really pretty pinky nude. Ooh, these smell so good too. But they're very moussey and whipped. I love the color. That is stunning. So that is product number 4. We did get a small size there. Number 5 has a pretty big box. All right, so this looks like, I was gonna say a full size, but it's actually probably a mini. This is the Jouer Hydrate and Repair Moisture Mist with blue light protection. Another new product that I have not tried. This is 1 ounce of product. And here's what it looks like. I feel like this is gonna come in handy because a lot of my like mists and sprays are kind of more long wearing. I don't have a lot of moisture ones, and usually it's not something I would probably reach for a lot. So I'm happy to have it in a smaller size and just kind of try it out. But it's supposed to prep, refresh, and balance skin pH to maintain a healthy skin moisture barrier. So that actually sounds like it's gonna be really good, like a nice kind of before makeup kind of skincare prep spray. The mist is so fine. It feels really good. So that actually just gave me a little bit of dewiness to the skin. It actually looks pretty nice. Okay, I think we're on number 6 here. We got a big box again. Looks like a full size. Maybe. What is this? So I think this is like a little compact mirror. Let's see if I can open this thing. So it clicks open, and yeah, you have your double-sided little mirror. It does feel like a nice quality mirror. It doesn't really say Jouer anywhere or anything. It just has this little logo here. So pretty simple, just compact mirror you could throw in your bag for touch-ups and all that. As with that product, I know these advent calendars always have some kind of miscellaneous items, so that must be theirs. Okay, number 7 here. Let's see what we have. Oh, this is cute. This is a mini, but I think it's their highlighter. This size is adorable. We did get their powder highlighter in ice. Oh my gosh. I used to wear this shade so much. I'm actually so excited to have it again. And I love this little mini size because highlighter is something that I used to wear a ton, and these days I just really don't wear it very much, so I'm not going through it as much as I used to. But this color, it has the softest, smoothest velvety feel. It's such a pretty pearlescent color, which I'll show you. So beautiful. Their highlighters are seriously some of their best products. They just glow from within. They don't enhance texture or anything. They're absolutely stunning. So this is really cute. I'm so excited to have that again. You're probably wondering why I keep saying like I'm excited to have it again, or like why I don't still have it in my collection. But a lot of these products, like I've been into Jouer for years, and I had these products when they were super hot, like probably 2015, 2014, 16, that era. And I feel like I've just eventually decluttered the products over the years as they've gotten old, or some have like broken and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just kind of having nostalgia going back through again, because I feel like that's just when Jouer was super popular. But yeah, I'm not sure why not a lot of people talk about them as much as they used to, but I still love their stuff. So next up we have number 8. And this is one of their cheek and lip tints in the little stick. I have not tried this formula yet from them, so I'm really excited about this one. So it's one of their little cream cheek blushes. Love the mini size too. These aren't like super tiny that you'd only get a couple use out of them. These are like the perfect size in my opinion, and this looks like maybe half a full size. So this color is called Be Loud. And then here is a swatch. Oh, that's so beautiful. It's a gorgeous kind of berry red tone almost. Let's swatch it a little bit out so you can see how it looks blended. It's very blendable, so you can get that nice natural flush, perfect for those winter cheeks. And you can also use it as a lip tint apparently, so I'll definitely have to give that a shot. Only a few more left. This is number 9 here. This seems like a pretty large item. Ooh, okay, so this is their Essential Travel Complexion Brush. This is gonna be nice because this is in a very compact little box here. So yeah, your brush comes in here and it just pops out like so. I feel like this is gonna be so nice for me because I have been needing something like this to throw in my bag and not have just my brush hanging out on its own. And usually my brushes are pretty large, so this is like the perfect little to-go compact to kind of like touch up my powder. Since I'm oily, I'm always having to touch up. So this is really nice. Very excited for that. All right, number 10. This is, it looks like their Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. Ooh, lip oils are all the rage right now, so I have not tried Jouer's formula yet. This looks so cute. So we got their Hydrating Lip Oil in Natural Shine, so I'm assuming that this is just gonna be kind of clear, or maybe give like a slight pinky tint, and it does look pretty clear. We'll keep it on my hand and see if it changes at all. All right, number 11. Okay, this looks like another lip product here. So this is their lip gloss in Rose Claire. I remember they had some really nice glosses too, and this one actually matches really well with the liquid lips, so you can kind of pair them together if you wanted to. But their lip glosses are super pigmented, as you guys could see, so it's gonna give you a ton of color. These also smell really good. They almost have like a Play-Doh scent to it, which I kind of love. But that is our gloss in here. Super pretty. Now let's see what we got in number 12. Let's see if it's as exciting. Okay, so we actually got, it looks like a full size. This is the Essential Hydrating Matte Balm. So that actually sounds very interesting here. It says that it's nourishing, conditioning, next level moisturizing balm that comes in a universal shade for non-shiny, natural, healthy looking lips. So I guess just kind of like a chapstick in a way. So it's not going to give you a bunch of gloss or shine. But I'm all about the gloss, so I don't know how I feel about this, but maybe just for like moisturizing. Yeah, you definitely don't see any shine. It just feels like a chapstick. It doesn't really have a scent either, so I think it's unscented. It looks like there's lots of lip products in this calendar. So that is the entire calendar. See, I still kind of feel like I should have started at 12 and then landed on the last item as the powder, as like the final thing, but I don't know, maybe I did it right this time, who knows. So that's what we got in our advent calendar. This is all stuff I 100% will use. I thought the sizes were actually really nice. The thing I have noticed as a trend with advent calendars is they're more of like a fun item to like count down to Christmas. I never really see an advent calendar that's like a huge savings or seems like a huge deal. I feel like usually you get better deals with, let's say, mystery boxes, but the thing with these is you know what you're getting up front. They usually have everything listed out, so you know if it's worth kind of spending that amount for. Now, I do know that any codes didn't really work on this calendar, which kind of sucks. It would have been nice to get a deal on it. But, I mean, we got some really good items. I think they included a nice variety. There's definitely a lot of lip products, so you have to love lip products if you're getting this advent calendar. But I don't hate it. I do think it's expensive. I feel like a lot of advent calendars that are over $100 are very pricey. I like in here that you're getting a range of their stuff to try, that you're getting actual popular products from them and not like super tiny sample sizes, but decent sizes and some full sizes as well. And you're not getting just like random junk here and there. So I felt like it was a pretty good advent calendar, especially to kind of try out the brand. I think this would be a fun gift. Let me know your thoughts on this advent calendar. Is it something that you think is worth it? Is it worth picking up? I do think it's better than some of the other makeup ones I've seen, but I also think it's sometimes better just to go on the website and pick out stuff that you know you're going to use in like full sizes. So you may get like a few things if you're spending about that much. I know they are having a sale right now, so I'll leave their Cyber Monday. I think it's 25% off if you just want to shop their website, but if you're looking at the calendar, codes aren't included. So I will go ahead and let you guys go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.